From coal, and let's talk about AMC stocks. And despite the fall in this particular space, is it worth buying the stocks at current valuations? My colleague Samit joins in. He's been tracking the charts pretty carefully and he tells us what to do, whether to buy Samit or not AMC stocks.
Well, if you see the asset management companies, the listed space like HDFC AMC, Nippon Life, UTI AMC or Aditya Birla Capital, all these four stocks have fallen on a year-to-date basis. But the triggers are a lot more for these companies. Firstly, it's the fact that financialization of household savings has been on an increasing trend. Along with this, that we have continuously been seeing strong inflows coming into mutual funds, mainly SIPs. If you see in the last month, there were about 13,000 crore rupees on a monthly basis. Along with this, the awareness of mutual funds as an investment has also been increasing, especially in the tier 2 and the tier 3 cities, and an SIP culture has also been developing among the bigger masses of the country. And lastly, if you see, the mutual fund penetration in the country continues to remain low as compared to global levels. In India, the mutual fund penetration is just 15% as compared to 80 to 100% that we have seen globally, and this is the one of the biggest factor which could lead to higher total addressable market for the asset management companies. However, on the risk side, if you see, competition is one of the biggest risks which has led to yield compression for this asset management companies. Then there are regulatory changes that happens. For example, in the past, SEBI had reduced the total expense ratio, which is the biggest revenue income for asset management companies. Along with this, there have been negative sentiments when it comes to insider trading news in the asset management companies, and obviously volatility in market is also one of the risk factors when it comes to asset management companies. However, on the valuation side, if you see, all the four listed AMCs have been trading at a valuations lower compared to their historical averages. And even if you see the return potentials of these four listed AMCs, the return potential suggests the target price given by the analysts. It clearly shows that analysts continue to remain bullish when it comes to asset management companies.